Oh my god, you guys, Shyla Walker is not holding back anymore. She has clearly had enough of everything that has to do with the Mcbroom family, the entire Mcbroom family, but sadly she really is connected to them for life. She has a child with Landon Mcbroom, and as they navigate co-parenting together, she has come out and shared how difficult it has been for her to deal with not only Landon, but his entire family as well. She has spoken out about Landon before, the things that he's put her through, as well as his mother, and I recently made a video talking about how Shyla called out Landon on her Instagram story for going behind her back and taking their daughter to Disneyland without telling her, knowing full and well she had a whole Disney VIP trip planned for them both to take their daughter for her birthday to Disneyland for the first time, but nope, she claimed that he wanted to take the joy away from Shyla, take the opportunity of taking their daughter for the first time away from Shyla, and just took their daughter to Disney for the first time without Shyla there, and she found out through text messages that he said to her, saying that they were on their way home. She was very upset about it. She posted the screenshots of the text messages on her Instagram story along with some other commentary that she had to say about him and his looks and everything, and she went off. And now it is his brother Austin's turn. That's right, you guys, Shyla has now come out and shared her thoughts on Austin and talked all about what she is claiming goes on behind the scenes with the Ace family. This is truly the craziest situation because there has been so many accusations made against Austin throughout the years. Plenty of times he has gotten this reputation of being an alleged cheater, and time again Catherine and him are being called out for either lying about their lives, putting on this rich picture perfect front, when in reality, it's all apparently a facade, and they are not even close to that life that they put online. And proof of that really came out when they were always flaunting their big mansion, their big house, and then it came out that their house was getting foreclosed on, and when they finally made a video on it, they said that they literally didn't have hot water, they couldn't cook, because they didn't have gas in the house, and they were literally showing this picture perfect life online, and behind the scenes, they did not even have water or gas. So there has been a lot said about those two, and there's also been plenty of influencers that live in Los Angeles that have come out and shared their experiences interacting or seeing Austin at clubs or on trips. No one has ever really been like, yeah, the Age family is great. I met up with them and we had a grand old family amazing time. Like, that's not the rumor on the street. None of these influencers have gotten on their story to talk about that. Tana has shaded the Ace family, tons of influencers have shaded the Ace family, and well, now Shyla is basically saying all the rumors are true, just like Lizzo said in her one freaking song. Shyla is screaming it from the rooftops that the rumors are true, allegedly. Okay, I gotta say allegedly because you know it's not like Shyla's bringing all the receipts and we've got concrete proof that everything that she's saying is true, but she is coming out and she is saying things, and that is for sure. So Shyla on her Instagram story posted a screenshot of a message that she sent to Austin in reply to an Instagram story that he had posted that featured her daughter. So Austin posted a video of his son and Shyla's daughter, aka his niece, on his Instagram story at like the boxing gym with him and Landon. I'm just gonna guess that him and Landon were both there practicing for their upcoming fights, and they brought their kids with them. So he posted this video and Shyla was not happy about it. Shyla has made it extremely clear in the last year that she does not want her daughter's face online. She regretted the whole family channel idea and making those videos with Landon, and she has since spoken up about how she wants to make sure her daughter is kept safe and has her privacy, so she did not want her daughter's face on the internet really at all. Landon has expressed he does not agree with that and wants to be able to show his daughter in photos and videos, and so he has sometimes been sharing things about her, but for the most part hasn't really been posting her. But his mom and dad definitely have not been respecting that. They have posted photos of Landon and Shyla's daughter on their own personal social media, not caring about what Shyla thinks or what she has to say, and clearly Austin doesn't care either. So Shyla was going to speak her mind about this whole family and the things that she is saying that she knows about them. So the message that she sent to Austin was, stop posting my kid, post your 3 content makers and leave mine out of it. Dookie boy, you're really a dumb mother. Do you really need another lawsuit? Think about that. I don't even care to blackmail you or anything like that. I won't post Any of the content of you at your little house, you begged me for the footage for leave my kid out of it weird in this smaller text we have got to break this all down because she says stop playing with mine. I'd be so cool you had 3 for money leave mine innocent, you want to post my private thing time and time again, yes he be cheating, yes her dumb nose, yes, they broke, yes, they had number 3 the IVF to make sure it was a boy, oh, and how you tried to have security and Cole what's his name when that video came out, yes him and his dad do it together, yes his mama know too, and support it, so wow. There's a lot of accusations here. I mean she's accusing him of using his 3 kids for content, having them for money and calling him a cheater, saying Catherine knows about this, says they have no money by calling them broke, and reveals that they apparently plan to have a son. Everybody knows that Austin has really wanted to have a son. He's been very vocal about the fact that he wanted a son. Shyla is out here claiming that they made sure number 3 was going to be a boy, and for the really shocking and serious accusation that Shyla is claiming in this message is that she is alleging Austin basically put a hit on Cole Kerrigan after he made a video exposing Austin and his father's actions. If you guys do not remember, this situation went down a couple years ago, when Cole Kerrigan made an entire video accusing Austin Mcbroom of having taken advantage of one of his close friends. The woman was allegedly forced to sign a non-disclosure agreement so she could not speak out for herself, and Cole said that he was making this video on behalf of his friend and claimed that on this particular night in this hotel room, it wasn't just Austin in the room, but Austin's security guard was there and his father was in the room at the time of this event, and he included text messages and a photo of bed sheets that was extremely graphic and disturbing. And Shyla, in her very quickly deleted Instagram story, is saying that after Cole made this video, Austin was allegedly coming after him and wanted terrible things to happen to Cole as a result of him making this video, which is extremely disturbing information to hear. She's also claiming that Austin and his dad do get together and their mom supports their behavior, and I'm pretty sure what she means by that is, you know what Cole was talking about in his video where Austin and his dad get together and things happen with women. Allegedly gotta repeat that one over and over again. This is just what Shyla is saying, that's what Cole was saying. Austin and Catherine always talking about how people are lying on their names, haters coming for them, all that stuff, so they've denied anything that's really ever come out about them. This is just what Shyla posted and then deleted. She also said leave mine out of it all. I ask is not to post her because she deserves to live a normal, safe, private life. I've let this slide so many times. God damn it, stop playing with a mother. If you're gonna be nosy and see the post, please report it. Bless, this is truly so much to process. Shyla has seen a lot, I'm sure, in her time being with Landon, and just seeing how this family functions and the decisions that they make regarding image, money, all the things. This is just crazy to see her post, and I honestly wish her the best. These things are scary to hear about and are extremely serious claims, and if they really are true, I hope she stays protected, because if Austin was out here trying to see Cole Kerrigan get hurt for saying something about, you know, him and his dad, then Shyla should probably be very careful. And she has expressed fear of this family before. She said in a video once that she was scared for her life because of them, and I just really worry based on everything here and everything that she said before. Believe me right now, yeah, Mama, we're sitting marked right now in the car because I'm fearful to go home. I believe they're trying to kidnap my daughter. Proof of them gaslighting, trying to tell the whole world I'm crazy, and trying to convince other people they've stolen. Landon and his mom have stolen, and like I'm literally out here in my house. She was like, I just left with her, like I'm terrified they're gonna take my baby, and I'm not crazy. I for sure want to know if you guys saw this Instagram story. A few of you guys were DMing me about it, and it really is just a loss. So regardless of what is real or what, I wish her the best and to stay safe, and I hope you guys are good and you guys are staying safe. I love you guys so much, and I will talk to you in the next video. Bye guys, you.